Hello, all. Very good evening. This is Karthik from Raj Cloud Technologies. Thank you all for joining the session today. So, can someone confirm me in the chat that are you able to see my screen and are you able to hear my voice properly? Can someone text me in the WhatsApp, please? So, yeah, can someone text me in the chat box, please? Yeah, thank you all for confirming. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, thank you all. Thank you once again. So once again, I welcome you all to today's GCP demo session. Okay, so I'll be just giving a 2 minutes shoot out on our website and our social media handles and all. Okay, then I'll just hand over the session to our new trainer Aneesh Garu, so that from there sir will take over. Yeah. So we have a website called rajinformatica.com. Okay, so initially it was Raj Informatica, and now it is converted to Raj Cloud Technologies. Okay, you can see here. So initially it was Raj Informatica, and now it was Raj Cloud Technologies. Okay, so initially we have started with only Informatica training, and later on we have added many courses, many cloud technologies. So we renamed our institute name as Raj Cloud Technologies. You can see all our trainings what are available here. Okay, so we are offering a GCP training, GCP Architect level training, AWS DevOps, Azure Data Engineering, Azure Databricks, Snowflake, Power BI, Informatica Power Center, Informatica Cloud, Python full stack development, Java full stack, Python for AI and Chat GPT, Tableau, and many others as well. We are about to start two more new courses. So one of them is uh, like uh, just a second. Generative AI. So the batch is starting very soon. Okay, so you can just get all the updates here. Okay, so just subscribe to our YouTube channel. So we have a YouTube channel. Okay, so we have a YouTube channel, Raj Informatica Real-Time Hands-On Job-Based Training. Okay, you can check out here. So we have almost 35K subscribers here. Okay, so we have added many of our useful videos here. You can check out here. Okay, so we have added many useful videos from AWS DevOps, Snowflake, Power BI, Informatica Power Center, Informatica Cloud, and many interview questions available here. Okay, so Azure videos are available here. Okay, so for all our latest updates, just subscribe to our channel so that you'll get the further updates here. Okay, I'll be just sharing the channel link in the chat box. Yes, and you can check out our reviews as well. If you just search as a Raj Informatica in the Google, okay, you will just get our business page here. Okay, you can just click on the view all Google reviews, and you can check out all our Google reviews here. Okay, so this is how we have provided our trainings, and this is what the experience faced by the students. Okay, so everything you can check out here. Okay, so without any delay, I'll just hand over the session to Anish Garu. Anish Garu, please take over from here.
Hi, sure. Good evening, everyone. Let me share my screen. Please confirm in the chat whether you are able to see or not. All right. So let's begin. Before we get into the session, I will just introduce myself. I have 16 plus years of experience in IT. Full-time I work as a cloud architect, and along with that, I do deliver freelance training, mostly in Google Cloud, cloud computing, and specifically in Google Cloud. When it comes to my experience, I used to work as a system administrator and also a data center administrator in different areas of the data center, and also you can see here in different technologies, which is little traditional technologies right now, which Linux, Solaris, backup storage, all are data center related technologies. I used to work in my first half of my career, like around 8+ years, and later I moved to cloud technologies. So I started with the AWS, and later I moved to Google Cloud, and I have been working as a Google Cloud architect last 6+ years. And when it comes to my certifications, so I'm a Google Cloud Professional Architect. And in AWS, I do have certification, associate level certification. Then Google Cloud Digital Leader. This is a foundational certification of Google Cloud. And some old certifications like Red Hat OpenStack, which is a private cloud, and RHCSA Red Hat certification. This is my profile. And before we begin with the session, will you just drop in chat, all of you, just spend 1 minute. What is your current experience? Like you can mention in 3 year or 5 year, 10 year, whatever. And your current job profile also. Why are you, what is the reason of learning Google Cloud? So that I'll understand my participants. I'll do the demo based on your experience level and everything. Just to spend 1 minute on that. All right, I can see something in chat. Okay, you will get a chance to post the questions. All right, parallelly you can do it. So what I'm planning to do is I will just spend some 15 minutes to deliver a very small introduction about cloud computing. Most of the things you may already know. I don't know like what type of candidates are here. So most of the things you may already know, and something will be new as well. So I'll just spend some 10-15 minutes about cloud computing, and also I'll spend some time on how our course is, like what are the areas we will cover in our course. And let's begin. First, let's understand what is an on-premise data center, which that means before cloud computing, how the computing works. So if we understand how the traditional computing works, it will be very easy for us to understand how cloud is actually making a difference and the relevance of cloud. Why are we learning cloud? What is the scope of cloud computing? And um, types of computing devices in a data center, how to build and maintain a data center. Then we will have an introduction to cloud computing. We will compare how the traditional data center and how the cloud computing works, and some commonly used use cases as well. All right. Okay. So I'm not looking into the chat now. I can see something still. So let's focus here. Just imagine 15 years back, you have a business, you are about to start a business, and something IT related, maybe an e-commerce business, and you need to set up all the infrastructure setup to build your website. Since it's an e-commerce website, you are going to build that website, right? So what all required to start your business? You have a business idea and you need to start that business. What all required? You should have an office space, and you're hiring different types of employees who are developers, maybe testers, different skilled employees you're hiring to build your website, right? Where exactly you will be building your website? Where exactly, like your developers will be developing your code? Where exactly they will be hosting your website? It will be in a data center. I'm talking about traditional computing, which is almost 15 years back. So before you start a business, you should build a data center first. Okay, before you hire the employees for developing your website, you should have a data center first, which is before cloud computing. And what all the things in data center, what all the components in a data center? First is a server. Server is a large computer. We all know what's a large computer, where it got more computing capacity. And then storage. Apart from server, there will be large amount of storage to store your organization data. Storage will be looking like this, the large boxes, and inside the storage there will be disks, a pool of disk which will where you will store your data. And apart from that, networking, server, storage, and networking, these are the three major components in a data center. So first, before you start your business, first you need to purchase all these things. You should have a data center space. You need to purchase server. It costs you a lot, like lakhs of dollars. It will cost you, and you need to set up. You need to make all the connectivity. You need to purchase storage. Again, you need to invest a lot. What I'm trying to say is you need to invest a huge amount of money before you implement, before you start your business in traditional computing, right? And it's not only about money, it takes a lot of time, maybe 6 months to 1 year to build, only to build data center. It will take time, right? Because you need to install softwares, licensing, a lot of things are involved. And it's not only about the computing related cost. Apart from that, there are additional costs as well for electricity maintenance. After building a data center, you need to maintain the data center. For that also cost is involved. And licenses, if you're purchasing different software, you need to purchase the licenses every year. You need to renew the licenses. All these are also part of maintaining a data center. Again, you need different skilled engineers to maintain the data center, which is hardware engineers, and different types of skilled hard data center administrators, different skilled engineers also you need to maintain the data center. So what if all your computing requirements were handled by a third party or cloud provider instead of managing a data center? So imagine you have a business idea, and instead of building a data center, what if some third party is providing, or some other company is providing everything for you? Like you don't need to purchase the server, storage, you don't really create the network connections, and you don't need to maintain the data center. You don't need to build or maintain the data center. So if you have an idea of whatever, like it can be any new ideas, it can be like e-commerce, some food delivery, any kind of idea. If you have, you can easily implement it, because you're not really spending time and money on building the data center. This is called cloud computing. A cloud provider will provide everything for you. Like a cloud computing offers server, storage, database, private networks, and many other services online without building and maintaining the data center. This is what cloud computing is in general. No matter which cloud it is, no matter what, this is what cloud computing is. If you have any question, you can drop it in chat any point of time. I will just take the questions after my small sessions. Okay, so I'll answer that question. Um, so these are some of the applications and services cloud computing provide. You can see infrastructure in the bottom, platform in the middle, and applications. There are varieties of services cloud offers, not only compute, storage, and networking, many other services. Now it is too many services cloud computing offer. These are, you may already aware, these are some of the major cloud providers: AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. These are the leaders in market, first three, and rest all other are like the players, the challengers of these leaders. These three are the leaders in market: AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. So this is one of the reason you need to go for Google Cloud. So this is basically Google Cloud course, right? Because it is one of the leader in market. Benefits of cloud computing. So you are aware what is traditional computing, and how cloud is making a difference, because you can quickly create it. You can, if you have an idea, you can quickly implement it. That is what cloud computing is. So initial cost saving, this is one of the major benefit, because if you have an idea, without, even if you don't have huge amount, or if you don't have investors also, you can implement idea very quickly and easily with very less amount of time. You can focus on writing your code. You can just deploy your code in cloud. Your application will be ready. Flexibility, you can choose different cloud platforms. Now maybe some services AWS may provide in a better way. Some services will be very good in Google Cloud, and some other services will be good in Azure. So an organization being a customer, we can use different services, multiple services together. They can some services, some application you can host in AWS, some you can host in uh, uh, so on. All right. And many other headaches like management headaches are not there. Automatic updates, scaling the storage, like in traditional computing and all, if your organization is reaching to its capacity, storage capacity, to increase the storage, it's a very big task. Like to purchase a storage box, integrate with your data center, it's a very big task. But here you can do it in seconds. So within a minute, you can create unlimited storage in cloud. Globally distributed design, you can access and use the cloud from a different part of the world. You will find a data center in your country or very close to your country. So that is, you have cloud accessibility everywhere. Pay as you go model, I'll discuss in the next slide about this high availability and redundancy. So your application can host in such a way that it will never go down. I'm literally saying not it will, if you design your application in certain way, the chances of going down or not working, load is reached, that kind of scenario is very rare in cloud. Okay. You can see, right? You can, we are watching YouTube and Netflix. All these kind of sites are there, which is having a global appeal, where different users are accessing from lakhs of crores of users are accessing at single point of time from different part of the world. But we will never experience a delay, latency, site is not working, site is not opening. That kind of issues you never experience, because all these sites are actually hosted in cloud. All right. High availability and redundancy. Zero hardware maintenance cost. As a customer, I don't need to manage the hardware because it's totally managed by the cloud provider, which is Amazon, Microsoft, or Google, leaders in the market. So to understand the cloud in a little more better way, just imagine you're purchasing a car, you're buying a car. For that, what all the cost involved? You you need to have some initial cost, some for 5 lakh, 10 lakh, 15 lakh of initial cost. Then you will be paying road tax and insurance. Then after purchasing the car, you will be maintaining it. You need to fill the fuel and routine periodic maintenance also you need to do with that car, right? What if you are renting a car? Means you are using a self-driving car from Zoom car or some other provider. You are self-driving a car. In this case, you are not spending initial amount, and you're not paying road tax and insurance. And even sometime you're not filling fuel also, because that also provided by the provider, this service provider. And routine maintenance also, you don't need to worry. What exactly you will do in this case? You will get the car and you will be paying for the use, pay as per use model. If you use it for 3 hours, you need to pay for 3 hours. If you use it for 5 days, you will end up on pay for 5 days. This is how cloud concept works. If you are using any resource of cloud, so and so time, okay, pay as per use model it is. If you use a server for 5 days, you will pay for 5 days. If you use storage for 20 terabytes of data, if you are storing in storage, you will pay for that. Next month, if you reduce the use maybe to 15 terabytes, then you will be paying only for 15 terabytes. That is how cloud payment model works. Pay as per use model. It is just like you pay the electricity bill at your home. If you use more this month, you will pay for that. If you use less in the next month, you will pay accordingly. All right. That's about an introduction, very quick introduction, what is cloud computing. So you will be able to differentiate how the cloud is making a difference in the industry. And even you can relate with the day-to-day things, like how easily, like everyday new apps are getting built, and new, you can day-to-day life, you will see the differences. right? New ideas are getting implemented very quickly because now if you have an idea, it is very easy to implement with the help of cloud. Use cases are unlimited when it comes to cloud computing use cases. I can't really list here, but I just listed some areas where cloud is used more. Hosting website, IT environment, e-commerce, large data storage, DR sites and backup. So what I'm trying to say is if you currently, if you go to any organization, one or the other way, you will be having some cloud related jobs available. Okay, that is very important because um, almost everywhere, one or the other way, cloud will be used if you go to any organization. Okay, so different types of cloud job will be available, which means job market is too huge for cloud. So every organization will be having some IT infrastructure, right? That is the point here. All right. IoT, all these are different industry where cloud is widely used. Do you use cloud? Yes, we all use cloud. Okay, no matter you're working in cloud computing or not, we use cloud. Why do you need to learn Google Cloud? So we had an introduction about general cloud computing. Why do you need to learn Google Cloud? That is the next question. Some specific exclusive features of Google Cloud: superior AI and machine learning. Google Cloud is relatively a new cloud technology compared to other two. Google got AI features in the hardware level. Hardware level means there are dedicated chips only to handle the AI traffic, AI and ML processing. It is there in hardware level. I will get into the details as part of the session. We will get into that details. So in the hardware level, it is using AI. All right. Best-in-class data analytics. So data analytics is many users are using AI for some specific services like data analytics services, Kubernetes, and VMware related services. Many organizations are using only to use these services. That is the best in Google Cloud. Global infrastructure. Cost-effective pricing. GCP is relatively new in market, so the pricing is relatively cost-effective compared to the existing leaders in the market. As I mentioned, there are some exclusive services in cloud. In GCP, Kubernetes, Anthos, VMware Engine. These are something very exclusive. I cannot get into the details. For example, Kubernetes. Kubernetes is an open source where it is available in all the cloud platforms, but still primarily it is developed by Google. Kubernetes is a Google product. Okay, even though it's an open source. So the most of the what is that, like, development activities, advanced features are available in GCP. So if an organization need to use Kubernetes, their best vendor is GCP because it's their own product. So most of the advanced features are there in Google Cloud, even though you can use Kubernetes along with AWS and Azure as well, but still can be a first preference. Sustainability, carbon neutral cloud. So this has something. And when it comes to GCP growth, so we are finding why do we need to learn Google Cloud, right? So you can see here it is 2017. So this is a quadrant. It's called Gartner's Magic Quadrant. It's a company. Basically, Gartner is a company where it do the market study of different technology, not only cloud, all other technologies like AI, data science, different technologies. They do the market study every year, and they will place the different organization in different boxes here. All right. The bottom one is very low profile, which is visionaries and niche players and challengers and leaders. This is how it works. Start here, come left, go up, and leaders are on the right side top. 2017, so Google was visionary. Google was in visionary position, and within a year, Google reached to leaders position. within an year. Many other providers are still in these positions, and currently this is the market, including Oracle. These are leaders in market in 2024. These four cloud providers are leaders in market. Okay, so one reason to learn Google Cloud is this is leader in market. This is public cloud market in 2023. You can see 31% of the market share is for Amazon, because Amazon came pretty early in market, in early 2008, 2010. These two were in the market, so obviously market share will be more. And Google is having 11% in 2023. This is 2024. It's still it's maintaining its position. And the last slide, before I take the questions, who can learn this course? This particular course is designed, I'll get into the course details after this slide. And this course is designed for IT professionals. Like, it is from fundamentals to advanced course. Like, we will start with the fundamentals, like very basics of cloud. Just know what I did, what is cloud computing. If you have no clue about cloud computing also, it doesn't matter. The course is designed for those who have no idea about cloud computing. We can start from there. So who can opt for this course? Those who are already working IT professionals, like those who are already working in traditional technologies and wanted to move to Google Cloud, or those who are working, um, uh, already your organization is moving to Google Cloud. So I'm learning so that I'll help in the migration in that perspective. So those who are working professional, they can go with Google Cloud. The existing developers, though you are a developer, you're not really doing any infra activities, but these days Devops role is very common in the market. So even though if you're a developer, you can learn the cloud computing, then you can be part of the DevOps team, where developers and operations, those two tasks come together. Students and freshers, if you are a student or fresher also, no need to worry. This course is totally designed from the basics. So every topic, it will start from the very basics, so you can learn. So obviously those who are IT professionals will be having little more, like it will be little more easy for them to learn. Others, those who are students and freshers, you need to take some additional effort, and I'll be helping you with that. All right. So whatever the additional effort, additional task, like to understand the terminologies for everything, I'll be helping in that. Then, if you are a manager or an entrepreneur, you have a business already, and you are you are just deciding which cloud to use. So you are learning in a general perspective, also totally fine. There are areas I cover, like the cost, the pricing areas, the feature area, everything you can learn in a like a more of a higher level, like not getting into too much of technical. Also, you can learn this course. Like, I have a lot of candidates who are in this area, like the very higher level managers, those who are moving to cloud, those startup CEOs also can learn this course. Then those who are shifting their career, like maybe you're a person who are non-technical, and you wanted to move to the IT related jobs, technical related jobs, or you are totally different. You are what I can say, you are a Linux administrator. You're not exactly cloud, but close to the cloud. You are working already, or you are a Java developer. They want to shift your career into a different path. They can also learn this course. All right. So this is about the introduction, and I'll just walk you through the course content. So will you drop the course content link in the chat? Will you quickly drop? Uh,
Yes,
Admins, yeah,
Alisha, I'm just dropping the link. Yes, a
yeah,
second, please.
direct my link. Okay. If you have any question, you can start dropping in the chat. I'll take the question right after this walkthrough. Instead of sending direct message to me, you can send to the common. Okay, Atanu beta charge. So you can you send a direct message. You can put it in the common chat so that the coordinators can access it. You will find this the entire course content in the site itself, so you can take a look. So we will start our course from why cloud and why GCP, the one we have just covered, like 4 or 5 areas we have covered today, and we will discuss different types of cloud, which is SaaS, PaaS, IaaS, like that. We will discuss public cloud, private cloud. It's all common, totally common concept about cloud, not about Google Cloud. So we will discuss a very common idea about cloud, and then basic concept of Google Cloud, how the Google Cloud design, like region, zone, and what are the locations Google Cloud is available, how to use the Google Cloud, what are the prerequisites, what all you require, like what all the components you require to access it. So all these area we will start in the first session. Then we will start with something which is IAM, that is it's a security related concept, and security related how to provide the access to different users. And after that, we will move to an important topic, which is compute engine. Here, we will discuss how to create virtual machines and manage those virtual machines like Windows, Linux kind of virtual machine, how to create and access it. It is going to be 2 to 3 days session with a lot of practicals. You can see whatever is hands-on. These are labs. Okay, these are practicals. You can check this lab or hands-on I have mentioned. And this is going to be a very detailed session. And after this, we will move to storage. Storage, how to use the storage, how to create unlimited storage, etc. Then high availability feature, like how to create an application without downtime. Okay, without all kind of downtime, how to avoid all perspective. We will learn under load balancing and auto scaling. So you will host an application without all possible downtime. Then we will learn about networking. It's very important. Again, networking in cloud, how the networking works, comparing with the traditional networking, how this works with the exclusive cloud features. We will discuss about exclusive in Google Cloud, what are the additional networking features. Then we will do a project. Here, we'll do a project which combine everything. So it is almost 50% of our training, which combine all the previous topics, and we will do a real-time project. Okay, so how in real time you will be setting up the cloud. Then we will move to database backgrounds, database related topics. We will start with the Cloud SQL, how database is different in GCP with different types of database, relational, non-relational databases. And along with that, we will discuss about some data analytic tools like BigQuery, data flow, etc. I think the entire content is not full. Okay, download it. Full syllabus, you can check and download it. So after this, after discussing about data related tools, we will move to serverless computing. So you can check this total here. Okay, I mean, you can just take it from there. Um Okay, after this, we will move to serverless kind of tools. These are advanced tools in cloud, serverless computing without managing the server, how to set up your application. Then at the end, we will learn Kubernetes. Kubernetes itself, it's a Kubernetes itself a different technology. It is available in cloud. It is a very popular, widely used technology in different organizations. So we will learn Kubernetes at the end, and we will do a project in Kubernetes as well. So along with the every topic, you have hands-on. In every day, we have hands-on with almost every topic, and two projects. One is in the middle, and one is at the end in Kubernetes. So this is the course content. You can take a detailed look. After this course, you will be able to complete multiple certifications, like at least some 3 to 4 certification. You can go for it. Depends on your current profile. Okay, certification is totally depend on your current profile, your interest. So after this course, I can recommend based on your current experience. Either like if you're totally new to cloud, you can go for a foundational certification. It is Cloud Digital Leader. If you're a person who are some 4 to 5 year experience, then you can go for Cloud Engineer certification. And if you are a person who are more than 5 or 6 years of experience, and depends on your profile, current profile, it is depends on your current profile, you can go for architect. This particular course cover from a beginner to foundational to the professional content we will cover from basics to advanced. Which certification you need to go, that is depends on your profile, your interest, etc. This is about my session. I can take the questions right now. One thing I missed in my profile, my introduction. Apart from this, I do have, I'm a Google authorized trainer also. When it comes to training also, I have a Google certification. I'm a Google authorized trainer. Not only these are professional technical certifications. I hope you understand the difference between Google authorized trainer. All right. That's all from my end. I'll start taking the question. You can drop it in chat. I see some direct questions to me. So there is a question from Raj Shekhar. It is this course is more focusing on architect, engineer, operational level topics, not much focusing on data engineer topics, because there are topics about databases and data engineering tools, but not getting into too much deeper. Raj Shekhar. And there is a question from Amol. I'm from DBA background. I have good understanding in AWS. So to change my career, how this course can help. So as I mentioned, most of the organizations are using multi-cloud. So if you know one cloud, actually, you can do self-learn. Okay, you can take the course. So what I'm trying to say is, if you have this Google Cloud knowledge, then you can easily learn other clouds as well by your own, or you can take the course. Most of the organizations are using multi-cloud right now. So if you learn more number of clouds, it will add weightage in your resume, in your profile. It will add more weightage. All right. So if you already know a cloud, then it is more easy for you to learn Google Cloud. So it will definitely help. It will definitely increase the weightage in your resume, because many organizations are using multi-cloud. Okay. Amol's second question. In that, like after this course, you can apply your, again, it's totally based on your current profile and current total experience. You can apply for database related, cloud database related positions, Devops positions, also an architect position as well. Like you can apply, depends on your existing skill. Yeah. Any other questions?
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Can I also apply for GCP Devops role after finishing this course?
Yes, the DevOps role you can apply. Definitely you can apply.
Okay. And what are the DevOps tools covered in this course apart from
DevOps,
Kubernetes?
Kubernetes, then there are data related tools are covered, data science related tools are covered. But again, DevOps is it's not just about tools; it's more of a position. Okay, like in a DevOps team, there are people who are developers. So development include any kind of service, right? Like if you want any kind of service in cloud, you will be doing the development. Again, in the operational part, there are things there are uh, if you again it depends on your current position, like in DevOps, which position you will fit in, more of a developer or more of a operational person. So it's not just about tools. Okay, like we cover this one, then management tools like monitoring tools, the deployment tools, like there is an alternative of Terraform is there. So all these topics we cover, but it's more than just a tool. It's a position. Okay, your experience and your knowledge, based on that you can do that DevOps activities.
So Terraform and Ansible is also covered in this
So
course.
Terraform is not covered. There is a alternate tool in Google Cloud for Terraform that will be covered.
And for Ansible?
No, Ansible is not covered. It's not a part of cloud course. It's a different technology. It's a third-party technology.
Okay.
This course is totally Google Cloud. Okay, completely end-to-end Google Cloud. Other third-party technologies are not covered.
Okay. And do we need to learn Python or any coding language?
There is no prerequisites to learn Google Cloud, this particular course. Okay, not only course, any cloud, you don't have any prerequisites. If you already know coding, if you are already a coder, if you know coding language, that will be an added skill. You that will open more doors, more opportunities it will open to you. Only to learn as a prerequisite, it's not really required. Okay, you can learn with or without Python, but after learning this course, if you have Python skill also, then it will open more roles. As I said, in a DevOps team you will fit into a developer team, cloud development team you will be fit in. All right, it will like just to learn this course you don't need Python. That's my point is.
Okay.
Yes. So what is the market demand for GCP architect? So I had already show in the market. So you can see these are the leaders in market first of all. So definitely market demand is more and it is increasing as well. And compared to other two cloud, the number of engineers who know Google Cloud is relatively less. Even though market is growing, so you will find a lot of AWS engineers, but at the same time, the number of engineers who have Google knowledge will be relatively less. So definitely when the market is increasing, number of demand also definitely it is increasing.
And how long is the subscription, sir? The free subscription?
3 months. 3 months means that is Google Cloud account subscription you're talking about, right? That is
Yeah,
three
yeah, yeah.
months. Yeah. Free tier account subscription, that is 3 months, and $300 Google provide to learn.
Okay.
Yes, Chandrasekhar, we are doing a lot of real-time activities. I am an architect. I have full-time job where I do design the environment. I do migrate the workload into Google Cloud. I host new applications in Google Cloud. So I'll be sharing a lot of real-time experiences. And also we have two real-time projects as well. Chandrasekhar. I hope I answered your question, Chandrasekhar. Yes. So this will give you a very strong foundation about multiple services. Almost we are discussing more than 20 plus services, all are major services. No matter which position you are in, that knowledge will help you. I have 5 more minutes. If you have more question, I can take it. To that, I'll drop.
Anish, this is Gopi. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Go ahead.
I have around 10 years of experience into infrastructure side. Like I have knowledge on backup, storage, Linux, and as well as Azure also. I worked on Azure Cloud and Informatica as well. So, so actually, I'm looking for the exact role, looking for architect level. So I just want to know like the exact the opportunities for the course content you have provided, right? Like any correct relevant job profiles do I get, or any other stuff I need to add for this
Do you know
course?
any other cloud currently? You are already into
Yeah,
infrastructure.
I have knowledge on Azure,
Any certifications?
and no, all certifications I have not yet done.
Okay, so if you already know Azure, then this will be added. It will be an added advantage. It will increase more weightage. And definitely, like if you are looking for an architect role, one certification will help you for sure. Like if you have actually any cloud, but some professional level architect certification will definitely help you, because certification really help you to find the right job. Because you may not be knowing where you are getting filtered, because many cloud jobs, including I do take the interview, like I'm in the interview panel as well. So when we will get the resumes who already has the certifications. Okay, so when the recruiter, the HR, when they get the resumes, they will proceed the resumes only who got the certification to us, to the interview panel. So definitely, if you have a certification, it will help you. And as I mentioned, after completing this course, you can go with professionals architect certification as well.
And how long is this course, sir?
32 to 40 hours it will take, like depends on the strength of the batch, and depends on multiple factors. For at least 32 hours, definitely it will take. Up to 40 hours it will go.
Is it Monday to
Okay,
Friday
and
or
like
That you can check with the coordinators. They will schedule according to the multiple convenience. Yes, it's mostly, yeah. Mostly some 3 days in a week or 4 days in a week will be a good start. Okay.
Actually, my,
Alternate. Yeah, that anyway you can check with those who are in touch with Raj Technologies.
I'm actually completely in an IT background. So now switch to IT side.
Mm.
So career gap is so now my present is 49 and 48 to 49. So
Mhm.
is there any possibilities to switch in IT career?
What is that 42? What did you mention?
48 age, my present age. My background education qualification BTech triple E.
Okay. Yeah, in this case, like if you have a career gap, in this case, you need to definitely invest more effort. Okay, so first you may need to learn this. If you are switching to an IT career, you need to learn a hot skill which is in the market, and along with that, you may need to learn maybe some other tools like Terraform or any other additional skills. Also, you need to add more and more weightage in your resume, and you need to keep trying as well. So definitely, like there is a scope, but it is depends on your effort, like how much effort you are uh, putting along with this.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Amol, I don't think the course PPTs and things will be shared to you. Okay. Course materials, not content. I mean course PPTs, concept descriptions. You will find the list of the content here in the site that he will provide. Okay. The list of the table of topics, you will get it.
Okay, so the slides containing the description of the contents will not be shared. Did I understand
It
correctly?
is. I think that that will be sufficient. The topic will be sufficient. Right? Slides which I presented, right? That will not be
Mm-hmm.
shared. That is not required.
Okay.
Also, it's very basic things.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
any material you can provide like for
Y-
I mean for session wise?
Yeah, session wise, so whatever the slides which I'm using, that will be shared, and additional documents, Google documents, I'll be shared. Then again, lab documents, all the major labs, the lab documents will be shared.
Okay,
Lab
fine.
document,
That's fair
project details. If there is any codes, so that will be in the lab document. If there is commands, so that I'll share the list of commands, and I will help you. If I'm not providing those, some areas are there, that is something you may need to take the fresh details. I'll help you where to go and check. Okay. Most of the things will be shared. And to projects, at the end of the training, we will be discussing about how to proceed with the next, how to prepare for the exam, how to update the resume, all these things in a wrap-up session. Only these areas like preparation, next, the career guidance, like what next you can do, depends on your current profile. Any other technology do you need to learn, or which will help you to get into a career job, a cloud job. All right.
So hi, sir. Hi, sir. Chandrasekhar here.
Yeah, I have very less time. You can just
Yeah, just
quickly,
one
you
second,
can,
sir.
or
Yeah,
okay, one more thing. If anyone is missed, the coordinator will directly connect to me if you have any more queries. Okay, those who
yeah,
have
just one
more
question, sir.
question, yeah, please go ahead. Yeah.
So, do we require any Python scripting language knowledge and SQL? And what
No,
is the
no,
level of SQL we require, sir?
there is no prerequisite to learn this course. Okay, it's not that if you know Python only, others can mute. Okay. Yeah. So there is no prerequisite. So it's not that if you have the scripting knowledge or development coding knowledge only, you need to learn. It's not at all like that. But as I mentioned, if you know that, it will help you to find the job, not to learn this course. To learn this course, it's totally okay. Like there is no such prerequisite. Say a fresher also can learn this course. All right. So if anyone got any more queries, so you can just contact with your coordinator. They will give a direct connection to me. I need to switch to another meeting now. So thank you all. Looking forward to for all of you in the upcoming batch. All the best.
Thank you, Anish. Thank you so much for your information and
Yeah,
the
thank you,
question
Anish.
as well.
Thank you.
Hello, everyone. This is Karthik again. This is Karthik again from Raj Cloud Technologies admin team.
Karthik, I'll be dropping. Okay, so as I mentioned,
Yes,
if
Anish.
there is
Yes,
yeah,
I'll take
thank
over
you.
from here.
Yeah, okay, bye.
Yeah, thank you. So I'm here to explain you about the complete registration process and the fee, and the course duration and everything. I'll be helping you from here. Okay. So generally the course duration is like 30 to 35 days. Okay. The course duration is 30 to 35 days, 35 plus days. Okay. So daily you will be having 90-minute session. Okay. 90-minute session it is. Daily you will be having 90-minute session, and the timings are 8 a.m. to 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. IST. Okay, and the weekly duration will be the first week. Okay, the first week the classes are like Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Only the first week. Okay, so the first week schedule will be like Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. As the batch is starting from like 10th of March. Okay, so we'll be having a first three classes like 10th, 12th, and 14th of March. Okay, so after that, from the second week, we will be having classes from Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday, like weekly 5 classes. Okay, and each and every session will be shared with you. Okay, and you can access these classes for lifetime. Okay, lifetime access will be given. Access for all recordings and material. Okay, so completely like we will be giving you the complete lifetime access for all the recordings and the material as well. Okay, so like if someone is missed to get the details, okay, so just share your WhatsApp number in the chat box. Just share your WhatsApp number. My team will be adding you to the like a real-time WhatsApp group as well. There you can get the complete discussion of the GCP classes and the further updates of the batch starting dates and all. And like you also get all our Raj Cloud Technologies updates as well in that group. And if you have any project discussion as well, yes, many experienced candidates are available on the group, so that you can get us help also. Okay, and the fee will be, so the fee will be 20,000 rupees. 20,000 rupees. As you can see the prices on the website, you can see this is a 20,000 rupees fee, and the batch is starting from March 10th. Okay, the batch is starting from March 10th, and the fee is 20,000 rupees. So whoever attended today's demo, okay, so whoever attended today's demo, you will be having some special price, some special price. That is, we are offering a 10% discount, 10% discount to demo attendees. Okay, to demo attendees, so that you'll get this course for just 18,000 rupees. Okay, you'll get this course for 18,000 rupees. For each and every session, we will be sharing you the material and the video as well, so that like you can access these classes for lifetime. You don't need to worry about that. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can just ask us. So like we will be sharing one complimentary course as well, that is Oracle. Okay, so one complimentary course as well, that is Oracle SQL. Okay, so which is having 10 plus sessions, 10 sessions, exactly 10 sessions it is, 10 sessions and 15 plus hours, 15 plus hours of content will be shared, and this is completely free. This is a complimentary training. Okay, so these recordings will be given to you. As the batch is starting from the 10th, you can enroll today, you can enroll today, and you can start. If you don't have any Oracle SQL knowledge, you can start watching, you can start watching the videos and you can practice now, and then you
तो
can proceed for the sessions.
अदरक लाएगा क्या?
Yeah, Amol,
अदरक
go
और
ahead.
ये
Yeah.
लेके आ
Amol, come again.
uh sorry, yeah, my question is, do this timing, 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. is the fix,
Hmm.
or it can be changed later on if needed?
So if you have any concerns regarding the timings, you can just connect us on this number. Okay.
Awesome. Thank you.
Okay, so you can just connect us on the page, like we have a number right here, 810-529-6858. This is our official
Okay.
WhatsApp number. Okay, you can connect us on these numbers. I'll share the number in the chat box as well. Okay.
Sure.
Mobile numbers to contact Raj Cloud Technologies, that is 810-529-6858. This is one number. It will give the name as Raj Informatica. Okay, and the other number is 63616 38108. These give the name as Megha Raj Cloud Tech. Okay, so these two are our official numbers. You can contact us on these numbers for any help, any registration details, like any other things. If you want, you can just connect us on these numbers. Okay, and the same numbers like we mentioned, same numbers we mentioned in the website as well. You can see our one of the number 810-529-6858. So this is the number, or else you can fill this form as well. Okay, you can just fill this form, your name, phone number, and email ID, and you can just click on inquire now. Your details will be shared with us, and we'll give a call back to you. So as I told you, there is a 10% discount going on today. So whoever enrolling now, they will be getting the Oracle SQL classes today. They can start watching the video. We will provide the Oracle SQL software as well, so that like you can install and you can practice if you don't have knowledge. And the classes will be starting from 10th of March. That is Monday. That is next Monday. Okay, the next Monday like we'll be starting the classes. If you have any questions, you can unmute yourself and you can ask. Any questions from anyone?
Kartik, this is Gopinath.
Yes, Gopikar, go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah, do I get like any possibility to speak with I mean instructor like Anish?
Yeah,
Do I
definitely
get
you
a
can.
chance?
You can
Yeah,
just connect us on this
before
number.
before
Yeah,
enrolling. Yeah,
definitely Gopikar. I'll just connect with you to Anish Garu one-to-one. Okay, so this is our
yeah.
contact number. Just WhatsApp us after the session. It will be you will be connected to Five now.
Sure, sure, definitely. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Any questions from anyone? So there is a question from James. So is there any other timings? I don't live in India, so it's going to be 8 a.m. IST is not possible for me. Yeah, James, you just connect us on this number so that like I can help you with the things like what can be done. Okay, I have shared the numbers to you personally as well. Okay, you can just connect us on these numbers so that like we'll help you. Yeah, thank you. So any other questions from anyone?
I think
Yes,
this is the
all the
first
payment modes.
GCP batch, right, Karthik?
Yes, this is the first GCP batch, but the trainer, like trainer is having a 6+ years of experience on trainings. Okay, sorry,
Okay.
7+ years of experience on trainings itself. So you don't need to worry about that. He's a professional trainer and he's working as well. Okay, so he will be taking like many corporate trainings too. So like you'll get the complete real-time knowledge here, as well as as he's an interview panel member as well. So he will be guiding you. So what are the latest things that you need to learn before going the interview? Even from tell me about yourself question, like we will be guiding you here. So how to switch your profile, how to answer a question, switching a profile from non-IT to IT. So if you're already working on IT or in some other backgrounds, like how to switch, how to keep your relevant experience on each and everything. So me and the trainer will be helping you on these things. Okay, no need to worry about that. You'll get the complete things here. Yes, you can enroll through website as well. After clicking on enroll now, so all the payment modes are accepted. UPI, bank transfer, net banking, credit card, all the payment mode, even international transactions are accepted here. Okay, you can enroll through website as well. Or else, as I told you, you can just connect us on this number. You can just connect us on this number, and like my team will be assisting you regarding the registration and all. So I got 2 confirmations from the students. Yeah, thank you all. So if you have any questions, you can just connect us on these numbers. So hope everyone is good with the details. Okay, so hope everyone is good with the details. So I'm just like winding up the session now. So if you have any questions, you just contact me on this number. Thank you all. Thank you for joining the session.
Thank you, Karthik.
Yeah. Any questions, you can stay in the session and you can ask. If not, like we'll end up the session.
Yeah, thank you, Karthik.
Thank you, Gurgaru. Yes.
Yeah, if you have time, we can connect, connect with, we can connect with Anish. Like,
Yeah, sure. Just give us a text in the WhatsApp. Okay, so I'll be connecting you in 5 minutes. Okay.
sure, please.
Yeah, thank you.
On that same note, be aware on Friday, we're moving the first of the DHB servers.
Yeah, Satish, like we have the morning batch. Okay, the morning batch timings are like 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. IST. This batch is available right now.
Hello.
Yes, Fayaz,
Hi.
go ahead.
I have a question, sir. So, because I'm changing from a different role to a new role like this, like Google Cloud. So, when we start working, right, initially there would be some challenges, right? So, is there any like job support provided for an extra cost or something,
Yeah,
so that
valid question.
we can have some
Yes.
support?
I'll help you on this, no problem.
Okay.
So, like actually, like we don't support these things. Okay, we don't encourage these job support and the proxy as well. Our training institute theme is very clear from the first day of the training we began from last 3.5 years. Okay, that is, so if someone enrolls with Raj Cloud Technologies without proxy, without job support, they should clear their own interview. They should survive in the job. In that way, like we are taking the commitment to provide the knowledge to student. Okay, if you have any conceptual wise doubts, definitely you can connect to the trainer. Okay, so we are not considering like only the batch, like when the batch is going on, only that time the doubts will be cleared. Those things are nothing here. Okay, once you're a student of Raj Cloud Technologies, you can connect us anytime. Even I have a people like who connected us at 2.5 years ago, 3 years ago. and they're taking trainings again here. Okay, so no need to worry about that. So conceptual wise, for sure, like we'll be helping you anytime. Okay, but like we don't encourage this job support thing.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, James. So like you can just connect us on the number like which I have shared with you, so that like we can discuss further about these things. Okay. Yeah. So any questions from anyone? I hope everyone is clear with the content like which we shared till now. Thank you all. Thank you for joining the session. Thank you. Yeah. Have a good night. Thank you. Yeah. Bye.